Good afternoon and welcome to another Toyota Celica video, my 1991 Celica GT. In this video, I'm going to fit a new front number plate. So I've pulled it out to give myself a bit more room. As you can see, the corner's broken off, and that's never ever going to pass an MOT no matter what. I said I wasn't going to do this straight away, but I thought it's got to be done at some point, so might as well do it now. So see if I can get this number plate off. Looks like somebody bolted it in. So see if I can get it removed. So I've got my impact driver. These are 10mm, these bolts, so see if these will just come out. There we go, that's out. See, it's stuck on, I'll need to try to get it up with the scraper. There we go. Looks like it's been some sealant on it. That's the number plate taken off. That gives us a bit of a clean up before I put the new bolts on. Oh no, that looks like it's these are the right hardware for these bolts. So clean this up and then we'll need to make new holes. So I've got the old plate clamped on the new one. You can see how much is broken off it. So that'll help me line the holes up. So I'll just drill these 2 holes. And that'll be just a matter of screwing it back on. I don't have a workmate, so I'm going to use this radiator. So just drill the first one. I may have to change my drill bit. I don't know if these are steel ones, so I'll come back to you once I found the right drill bit. Okay, I've got the correct drill bit, and we'll just try again. That's one down, one to go. And if I've got this right, these should line up properly. I might have to change the position of my clamp so I can be able to drill through it. So that's my holes drilled. I can release these clamps. I've got two holes in my number plate. Just test these screws. Let's hook. Yep, that's good. Yep. We're good there, so get you back in front of the car and we'll get this fitted. So back in front of the car, there's our plate. We'll just get this backing peeled off. And there we go, nice new number plate. So get these screws started. Well, yeah, they are technically screws. Yeah, thread goes all the way up. If the thread only goes so far, then it's classed as a bolt. But if your thread goes all the way up, it's a set screw. And if I just get those 2 started, and then we'll do them up with impact driver when I'm. And there we go, that's job done. One thing less to fail the MOT. I'm going to finally get it ready for an MOT. So that's it for this particular video. I know it was a short one, changing number plate, but it's important if I'm to ever get an MOT certificate on this. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to ring that notification bell and you get notified of videos. Questions and comments, you know how to put them as ever. Thanks for watching and I'll see you.